Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with the September Bargain Bead Box. So it's called Ancient Icon. It said one of humanity's oldest and most mysterious symbols, spirals appear in ancient cultures across the globe. They are believed to represent femininity, growth, the cycle of life, the journey of the sun across the sky, and the path of the soul. We've paired this enigmatic motif with carnelian and Z agate gemstones that have been featured in jewelry for thousands of years. Rounding out your collection are earth tone treasures, sparkling crystals, and a variety of copper findings. Of course, if you're a subscriber, you get a 30% off coupon every month. And if you're thinking of subscribing, please use code Turquoise for, I want to say it's $2 off of your first monthly box. So I am going to sort everything out and I'll be right back. Okay, so number one is the Crystal Bicone beads, 4mm Magma AB. So we get these pretty much every box. Some variation of 4mm crystal beads. I think they could stand to expand that into something else. I think it's been years. I've been getting these every month. Number two, we have 16-inch strand 4x3mm crystal rondelle beads, sea green shimmer. This is a really pretty strand, super cute. I love this color. I love the shimmer. Adorable. Number three is 1 meter of 5.5 by 3.5mm steel Figaro jewelry chain in copper. Very nice. And number four is really cool. It's a 46mm spiral pendant, nickel free. I really like this. So something that's, I didn't realize this was in this month's kit until just opening this just now. But I've asked this before, and I'll probably put a post in my group. If you're part of my bead group, please don't post items you've made with the Bargain Bead Box before I can open the box, because I'm just realizing that somebody did that, and I almost asked them where they got this pendant because I really like it. I love this pendant, but now I'm seeing that it's in this box. I'm like, oh, well, now I know everything else is going to be in here because I saw what they did with their necklace, which was gorgeous. Their piece was absolutely gorgeous, but I avoid like YouTube like the plague, other groups, until I get my box. And if you don't want to be spoiled, I would expect you to do the same thing, but it's my group. I can't really avoid my own group. So anyway, it's a whole thing. Talked about it before. I think I can move on. Number five is a 5-piece 10mm half matte crystal chevron round beads, Magma AB. I love these. You guys know I love those. It's one of my favorite types of crystal shapes these days. Number six is a 10-piece 15mm brass French hook ear wires, nickel free. I like the flat detailing there. That's kind of cool. Number seven, 7.5-inch strand, 6mm fiber optic cat's eye glass beads, light peach. You know I like cat's eye. It's a really pretty color. This is really reminiscent of one of the first boxes that I got from them like 5 years ago, at least, because, and I can picture the jewelry I made from it. Obviously I don't know where it is right now. I might have given some of it away, but it was peach, like this seafoam green and copper, but it didn't have I don't think it had a pendant like that, but I mean, it's cool because it's completely different stuff, but it's just so reminiscent of that. So number eight is a 2-piece 21 by 13mm spiral chandelier link, nickel free. Very cool. I like those. They're double-sided. We can see that maybe the quality of the stuff has stayed the same as it did before we had a couple crazy months, but the quantity has gone down. I'm noticing we're seeing 7.5-inch strands, not 15-inch. We're seeing 2 pieces, not 4. We're seeing some ear wires. I don't mind that as long as the items that we get are not something I'm gonna throw away. So I will qualify that. I do notice there is a lot less in this box. Number 9 is an 8-inch strand of 6mm crystal faceted pear beads, champagne shimmer. Oh, these are so pretty. Do you see that? Okay, so it is a pear shape. These are gorgeous. I want a whole million. I want a million of them. Go big or go home, right? These are so pretty. I want them in every color imaginable. They're so cute. I love them. They're little teardrops, and they're fat, and they're a little squat, and they're just faceted. So pretty. I love those. Those are really nice. This would be really cute on some earrings. Number 10, 7-piece 18 by 13.5 spiral link drops. Be cute on a necklace or a bracelet. I like the spiral look. Very cool. Number 11 is a 10-piece 12 by 8 millimeter spiral drop. Lead, nickel, cadmium free. Oh, those are cute. They're like almost exactly the same. They're just tiny. Very cute. I love them. Adorable. Make some really sweet little earrings with those and those pear drops. Number 12, 7-piece 11.5 millimeter spiral beads. Lead, nickel, cadmium free, because so before we would see maybe 10 pieces of these instead of 7, or 4 pieces of these instead of 2, or something like that. So they're just cutting down on the amount that they're sending to I guess save money but still create a box that we'd like. Number 13 is a 2-piece 23 by 34 millimeter half spiral drop pendant, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. This is really cute. I think this would be fantastic as a bail for polymer clay for either the front of a piece or the back of a piece. You could glue this onto something else, a glass cab, a stone cabochon, whatever. You could use it just like this too. I think the possibilities for that are endless. I really like that. Number 14. 3 sets, 17 by 22 millimeter swirl pattern toggle clasps. Very cool. I like those. Number 15, approximately 30 millimeter carnelian teardrop pendant. It's dyed and heated. Very nice. I would use that with, I would enhance this with something else. I probably wouldn't just use it by itself. But I like it. It's very cool. I like carnelian. Ooh, it looks good with, I put these in a different unboxing. Looks good with those. Number 16, a 15-inch strand 6 by 4 millimeter faux turquoise rondelle beads. They're man-made. So they're some kind of composite stone. Very cool. They look like really large seed beads. I like those. Number 17, 5-piece strand of 10 millimeter Z style agate round beads, dyed and heated. Love those. You guys know I love these. Very nice. Number 18, we have a 10-piece 12 millimeter handmade porcelain round bead. Orange shimmer, red orange shimmer. These are awesome. I love porcelain beads, and I love that luster on there. These are so pretty. These are gorgeous. I like this whole kit, and it's very cohesive. We had a stumble a couple of months this year, but this one's really nice. Number 19 is a 1-piece, approximately 30 millimeter Z style agate barrel bead focal. Very cool. I want a whole strand of these. That's really nice. Very nice. I love that. Perfect focal. Number 20, 15-inch strand, 8 millimeter carnelian round beads, dyed and heated. These are a lighter carnelian. Very cool. We're getting some stones in this box. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stone pieces in this box. That's great. And last but not least, number 21, 30-piece 8 millimeter 5-petal swirled bead cap. So we got some cute little bead caps. Very cool. I like this box. Everything seemed to go really well together, and I think it was definitely worth the price of admission this month. My favorite item is this pendant, this bead, these spirals, and these pendants. So I really liked the box this month. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you want to see me make with some of these things. Ooh, I'm seeing some stuff out of the corner of my eye from some of my other hauls that might go really well with these. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And again, if you want to save $2 off your first box, use code Turquoise at the link below. Use the link in my description and it'll take you right to it. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi. Good morning. Oh, no, that hand's not going to pet you. All right, I guess it will. Good morning. Oh, be gone. Yeah. Good morning, sweetheart. Hello. You just care about tummy rubs and pets. Look how cute you are. I've never seen a cuter face. My goodness. My goodness. Hi, baby.